Well, hello, I'm Sherwood. I'm a hummingbird, and I eat the nectar from flowers. Flowers like these. Do you know how long it takes me to drink all of that nectar that I need? I have to drink 300 times my weight. It's hard to find all the nectar unless you find a flower like this. That's a big one. And when I do, I don't like to share, but that's because I need to eat that much. So I look for feeders around the neighborhood, and my name's Sherwood after the Sherwood feeders. And here is one of the feeders now. This is a Sherwood feeder. It's not been filled yet, but it's one of my favorites. What you have to do is you mix some of the nectar, a teaspoon for every 2 ounces of water, and then you fill up the container. My friendly neighbor is going to help me do that. Watch as she puts it all together. You can get the nectar feeder ingredients off of the internet, and I have here a cup of water, and we all know that there is 8 ounces of water in a cup, so that means I have to put in 4 teaspoons. One, 2, 3, 4. Now, the red, let me take a taste of that. Ooh, that's good. That's really good. Remember, a teaspoon for every 2 ounces of water. And then my friend is going to fill up the Sherwood, named after me, the Sherwood feeder. Watch as she does that. This is the new Sherwood feeder, and instead of being round like some of the feeders that you see out there, this one is flat and square. And this one is very easy to fill. You open the top of the lid and take your dissolved sugar and pour it in. Some people like to put in a couple more drops to make it redder, and some people say the red dye isn't good for the birds. So this came with a red dye, and it's guaranteed harmless to the birds. And the tricky part about this is to get this on firmly. Otherwise, it might pop up as you're moving it. But if you push it right, it gets on there tightly, and you easily attach these chains to it. Make sure they're even so that you can hang it in your tree where Sherwood can come and find it. So Sherwood, you talking to me? Are you talking, how do you like your new feeder? Delicious, delicious. I think I'll tell some of my friends about it. Maybe this time I'll share. Zzz.